Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
Hi everyone, this is Kim Goyette, your Meditation Mother, coming to you live from Costa Rica in Guanacaste. We're at Dreams Resort just for a few more days, and then everybody's coming to Costa Rica for my brother-in-law's and almost sister-in-law's wedding. We're so excited to see everyone. We haven't had to see any of the family in almost 6 months, so it'll be a nice reunion. I thought this morning we might want to celebrate joy, bringing joy into our life and really radiating that through movement and breath. So let's start by standing. We'll bring our hands to heart center in a prayer-like pose. Gently close the eyes and start to tune into the breath. Just noticing where your body is at today, where your mind is at. Good. Gently open the eyes. And we'll start with a nice long inhale. Arms sweep up. I'm going to turn sideways so you can see a little bit better. Exhale, fold forward all the way down. Relax the back of the neck. Inhale, come halfway up. Lift the low belly. Create space, gazing down at the front of the mat. Exhale, fold into that space. Plant the hands, step back with the left leg to lunge. Push down and forward with that front foot, lots of energy out the back leg. Bring your hands to your hips, rise all the way up. Nice, sink down into the legs a little bit, really feel grounded, pushing down and forward with the front foot, splitting the mat, pushing back with the back foot. Inhale, sweep the arms up. Good, open the arms wide and receive such beautiful energy from the universe, connection. Good, release the hands all the way down and then spiral up for warrior two, facing the side. Good, soften the elbows, ground down with those legs again. It's almost like you're splitting the mat, push down and wide, and then flip the palms open, draw the thumbs back, open up the chest. Yeah, lots of energy right through the heart center. Soft gaze out the front palm. Good, drop the back hand down, lift the front palm up, reverse warrior. Inhale, side body. Awesome. Lengthen that front leg. Start to move into triangle. So we're going to reach the front arm forward and then connect anywhere you can on your leg. So whether it's your shin, ankle, floor, and then start with your hand on your shoulder, the opposite hand. Reach, roll open to the sky, and then extend. Really ground down with that back foot to open up the hip. You got it. One more deep breath here. And then we'll bring the back hand to the back hip. Start to bend the front knee. And we're going to scoot the back foot up just a little bit. Plant that hand out to the side and open up for half moon. Roll the shoulder open. Flex that foot. Draw your foot in towards the front just a little bit. If you'd like, you can add the arm. Good. Open up and then push into that rounded foot. Rise all the way back up. Spiral down. Lift the back heel. Plant the hand, step the front foot to meet the back in plank. So we can always come down to knees if you'd like, or you could keep it in plank. Elbows point back. Gaze is towards the earth so that you have length in the back of the neck. Push into both hands to really lift the belly up. Point the elbows back. We can come down to knees, slowly lower all the way down onto the belly. Slide the hands back, elbows point back. Press the pelvis into the mat, low cobra here. Exhale down. One more time, inhale, top of the head lifts. And exhale. Push into the hands. You can come through hands and knees, or curl the toes and push all the way back to down dog. Allow the hands to push down and forward. Relax the back of the neck. Tuck the chin, look in between the legs. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, look in between the hands. Sweep that leg all the way through to a lunge. If it doesn't make it, grab onto the calf and just move it right on up. Step the back foot to meet the front in a forward fold. Exhale. Inhale all the way up. Exhale, hands to heart center. Let's try the other side. Inhale, arms sweep up. Exhale, fold, take it down. Relax the back of the neck. Inhale, come halfway up. Lift the low belly. Exhale, fold, take it down. Plant the hands, step the right foot back to lunge. Really ground down with that front foot. Lots of energy out the back foot. Bring your hands to your hips. Rise all the way up. Good. Inhale, arms sweep up. Open up those hands nice and wide for receiving all the energy of the universe. Good. Feeling stable in the feet. And then release all the way down. Drop the back heel, spiral up, warrior two. Woo! There we go. It's a little challenging on the stand. Good. Flip the palms over. Draw the thumbs back. And then have a nice open heart center. Front palm is up, back hand down, reverse warrior. Open up the side body. Good, nice long breath. And then start to straighten that front leg, both arms out. Reaching forward into triangle. Connect anywhere on your leg. And then you can roll the shoulder open, bring the hands to the shoulder. Roll it open to start, get a nice open heart, and then reach and radiate. Awesome. Inhale, come all the way up. You got it. We're going to start to bend that front leg. You can bring your back hand to your back hip. Scoot the back foot forward, plant that hand all the way down, flex your foot, and then start to roll open. Good. Roll the shoulder open. If you'd like, you can add the arm. Flex that foot, really lock in your energy, and then radiate in all directions. Woo! Good. On the slanted beach is more of a challenge than I thought. Good. Slowly come out of it. Oh my goodness, there we go. Sorry guys, spiral all the way down. Plant the hand, step the front foot to meet the back in plank. Push into the hands, elbows point back. You can come down to hands and knees, slowly lower all the way down. This time, let's come up onto the forearms. I need to flatten out this hole over here, that's what I'm sinking in. Good. Forearms here, elbows a little bit in front of the shoulders, and then if you'd like, press into the pelvis, lift the elbows up. Off the mat, roll the shoulders open, dolphin pose. Take a nice long inhale here. And slowly lower all the way down, slide the hands back, push into hands and knees or straight back to down dog, whatever feels right for you today. Relax the back of the neck. Inhale, left leg lift. Sweep that leg all the way through to a lunge. And then step the back foot to meet the front. Forward fold, exhale. Inhale, arms sweep up. And exhale, hands to heart center. We made it. Good. Close the eyes for just a moment. Tune into your body and breath, noticing where your mind is at, where your heart is at. Good. Gently open the eyes. Bring your hands to your hips. Separate your feet nice and wide. And then from here, we'll start to shift our weight over to the left a little bit. Point your right toe. Good. Ground down with that left foot. Reach the arms out in all directions so the fingertips radiate out. Relax the shoulders. Draw your hands back just a little bit to open up the chest. And then if you'd like, you can either keep your foot where it is or flex the foot off the earth. Find a spot in front of you that's not moving. And then in all directions, reach. If you'd like, you can play with the angle of your body, just finding some fun and joy. in balancing. Don't worry if you fall out of it. I do it all the time. Good, and coming back to center. Awesome job. Let's try the other foot. So we'll shift our way over to the right foot this time. Point the left foot. Radiate those arms all the way out. Draw the hands back. Open up the chest. Good. Shift your weight. If you'd like, you can flex that left foot off the ground. Good. And then reach, reach, reach like a star. Good. Shift your weight. Just playing with it a little bit. Woo! Awesome. And coming back to center. Release. Taking it all the way down. Good job. Let's take it down to the earth. In a seated posture. Awesome. Bring the hands behind the head. So you can either clasp your hands or just touch your hands lightly to the back of the head. Allow the shoulders and elbows to roll open. Relax the shoulders away from the ears. Deep heart center. Tilt your chin up. Support your head with your hand and then just receive. If you have the pleasure of doing yoga outdoors, allow the sun to enter into your third eye. Soft gaze up in that area. Good. So important to get outdoors and receive all that beautiful energy, vitamin D from the sun. And then we'll start to round in towards the right so you can kind of tuck in, allow the left elbow to drop down. Inhale back to center, radiate up towards the sky, and then exhale, right elbow drops down. Opening up the back body. Inhale, one more time, radiating. Exhale, crossing the body. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, across. Good. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, release the hands all the way down. And just roll the shoulders a little bit, freeing any tension in the shoulders or neck. Good. And we'll take this time to bring the hands to heart center and take a moment to really show appreciation and gratitude for all the connections that you have throughout this world, throughout this life. So gently close the eyes and start to visualize all the people in your life that support you. Whether it's someone at work, a family member, a friend, someone you just met once or has been with you for a lifetime. And just allow that vision of this person or this group of people to come into your heart. And with the next few breaths, just allowing them to feel the extreme gratitude that you have, the joy, the connection that you have with them. And then seal that deep within your heart. Bow the mind to the heart to honor. And thank yourself for being here today. Celebrate the joy of the people that you have around you. Namaste. Thank you so much for being here today. I'm Kim Goyette, your meditation mother. If you like this video and you want to receive please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Meditation Mother, Yoga with Meditation Mother. See you next time.